In linguistics, the physics of sound is inevitable. And from a research scientist perspective, I felt like I was doing myself an injustice because I had no understanding of music. I had no knowledge of music. So here I am speaking on the physics of sound. What is sound? What causes sound? Why do we hear sound? The linguistics of sound, or the physics of sound. You know, you strum a chord or you play an instrument and it emits a sound. There's a sound that's emitted from the instrument. You know. So what did so I would like to I look so freaking handsome, yo.